What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Lubar's Garage. Today we're going to be working on the Subaru Forester. We have the dreaded check engine light, and I've been having issues that anytime I go fill up at the gas station, it doesn't crank over right away. It hesitates. I have to pump the gas quite a bit in order for the car to start. I was doing a little bit of research and found out that it's part of the evap. I did have the check engine light come on, so I went to the local parts store and they said that's something with the evap canister. There's a couple different components pertaining to the actual car that it could be. Two of the three that I've already changed, and the third one is more so pertaining to the problem that I've been having. I went ahead and ordered the part, just arrived. We're gonna remove the old one and install this new purge valve. Alright guys, so here is the engine bay. Now, don't at me, I know it's dirty, it's filthy, and I know that I need to clean it here, but for today's purposes, it is what it is, guys. The purge valve that we're going to be changing out is actually located right back in here. We're going to have to remove a couple things. We're going to have to remove this. We're also going to have to remove our air box, and I believe it is a 13 millimeter bolt holding it down. Kind of at an awkward angle, you can't really see it from this end, but let's see if we can see it from here. It's literally in there. Let's see if we can get in there. Check it out. Yeah, you can see it right there. This should be a lot of fun. I love crevices that are hard to get into, but we're gonna make it work. So let's go ahead and jump right in. All right, guys, well, this is what the purge valve looks like. Pretty simple little thing, but this thing cost me about $100. I'm really hoping that this is gonna take care of the issue that I've been having. So I went ahead and removed a bunch of stuff here just to give us a better space to work with, but still, yeah, there you go. You can see it right there, that thing right there. So it looks like we're still gonna have to move a few things around here in order to have access to that purge valve. So let's go ahead and try to get this thing off. Guys, so here is our old purge valve. Looks like one of the valves right there, the valve stems broke off, so maybe that could be the culprit. And just to show you, here is the new one. So you can see it's busted off right there. Let's hope that that was the culprit. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna go ahead and reverse the process, install it, and hopefully we should be good to go. Just to be fair, it was a little difficult to get this thing out, man. We definitely struggled a little bit, but hopefully it'll be a little bit easier getting it all back in. Well, we went ahead and successfully installed our new purge valve. Again, it's kind of hard to see. It's down there, in there somewhere. Let's see if we can see it through here. Let's see. There, you can kind of see it. We got it on there, guys. Hopefully this is going to help with startup once we fill up our gas tank. It's just weird. It usually just happens just right when we fill up our gas tank, and then about 15 seconds in, it's good to go. It just has a hard time starting up for whatever reason when we fill it up with gas. But anyway, that's it. All right, guys. Well, that's going to do it for this episode of Lubar's Garage. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't liked and subscribed, please do so. We'll see you then, or we'll see you another time.